Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing YouTube dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic YouTube dimension. And I just hope when we make it inside this absolutely amazing YouTube dimension that I get to meet up with some awesome YouTubers, guys, and maybe they will even give me my golden play button. That would be amazing, guys. That would be absolutely amazing if they gave me a gold play button. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a chicken, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 white wool on this side, and then 5 white wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 red wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now you just want to go ahead, you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the YouTube dimension, guys. This is going to be so amazing, especially since I'm a YouTuber, guys. But wow, is this the YouTube mansion? Wow, guys, this place looks so amazing. Wow, I just hope they have a room for me inside this YouTube mansion, guys, because I am a YouTuber and I would really love to have a room inside the YouTube mansion, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. But oh my God, do they also have a swimming pool? Wow, guys, they must have a swimming pool for all the YouTubers to swim in, guys. You know what? I'm a YouTuber, and I love swimming pools. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and go for a dive in this thing. Let's go ahead and do this 360 dive. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. What did you think? Do you think that was good enough for me to get into the YouTuber's mansion? I think it was good enough. Do you think it was good enough? I think he thinks it was good enough. I think he thinks it was good enough for me to get in the YouTube mansion, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. Do you think it was good enough? You do? Oh my God, guys, I'm going to go and I'm going to collect my room right now, guys. And wow, this place is amazing. And oh my God, guys, is this what I think it is? Is this a dance floor, guys? I'm about to have a dance off. Oh yeah, I shake my butt and I shake my hand and I can do it in a full 360 circle, guys. That's right, I'm the best dancer ever. None of you guys are going to top my dance moves. None of them, guys. None of them can top my shaking my butt and shaking my hand at the same time, guys. They just can't do it because they're not athletic like me, guys. Like, I'm a really athletic dancer. That's just what it is, guys. But look at them. They're all looking at me like, what did you just do? You know what? Forget it. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Wow, this place is amazing, guys. Wow, I really love this kitchen. And what's inside this chest right here? They have potatoes and they also have carrots, guys. So I can make a potato and carrot soup. I think I'm going to do that, guys. I definitely think I'm going to do that. Let's go ahead and let's check out the other chest, guys. Let's go and see what's in this chest. And oh my God, guys, they have a bunch of coal in this chest. How do they know that I put that in my soup as well, guys? I really love potato, carrots, and coal soup, guys. I really, really love that. But wow, guys, I really love their kitchen. And oh my God, they have a double-sided stove. Wow, that is amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. They also have a really nice sink. I really do love these sinks, guys. I would love to wash my hands in these sinks every day and also take my bath in those sinks and also wash my eggs off in the sink. I basically do everything in the sink, guys, because I really love sinks. I just don't know what it is. I also love their table. This is probably where they like sit down and they talk to each other about their video ideals and everything, guys. And they're like, what kind of video are you going to make? Oh, that's a good video. Yeah, I really love that ideal. This is probably their ideal table. And I just don't think that guy was coming up with any ideals. I also love this room over here, guys. They have a humongous TV. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and throw this egg in. Oh, my God. Whoa. Did you guys see how many chickens came out of that egg? Oh, my God. I've never done that. I've never ever done that in my whole entire life. Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. I threw it at the TV and then a bunch of chickens came out. What do you think, Pig? You think it was amazing? No, I don't think he thinks it's amazing. I think he just wants to eat the chicken, guys, but I cannot believe that. Let's go ahead and head on up this staircase and wow, this place is amazing, guys. But you know what, guys? I gotta go and find my room. Obviously, this is my room right here, guys. And wow, this is an amazing room. I really do love it. Can you get out of my room? What? This is your YouTube room? What? I've been lied to? I don't have a room? You know what? I can still jump on your bed and watch your TV. I really love their bed, but I really love their humongous TV set, guys. It is really awesome. I could just imagine jumping on this bed, watching Smooth Marky on that big TV. It would be amazing. They also have a golden play button. What? How did they get a gold play button? And I ain't even got a gold play button. How did you get a gold play button? I cannot believe that. I cannot believe they have a gold play button, and I don't even have a gold play button. I really want a gold play button, guys. I just love the way it looks. You know what? I'm going to lick it for good luck. If I lick it a couple times, then maybe it'll bring me luck, and then maybe I'll get my own gold play button, guys. But right here's their bathroom, guys. I'm probably just going to sit on the toilet and cry about not having a gold play button. So let me just go ahead and sit down on this. And yeah, I'm just crying right now. But I do love the fact that you can wash your hands in the sink while on the toilet, and also love the fact that they have a tub right next to the toilet that you can jump into, guys, after you're done using the toilet, guys. Just make sure there's no like little brown flakes or anything in the water because that would just be nasty, guys. But I really do love this bathroom overall, guys. I absolutely love it. But you know what? Since this ain't my room, I'm going to lick this play button a couple more times for good luck. And oh my God, he's just looking at me like, what did you just do? Did you just lick my play button? You know what? I'm just leaving. I'm just leaving, guys. Obviously, this is my bedroom, guys. And wow, this is a really pink bedroom, guys. Why is this bedroom so pink? Did they do this as a joke, guys? Did they do this as a joke? You know what? I'm still going to jump on the bed. You know what? I still love this bedroom, and I will still take it. And oh my God, this ain't even my bedroom. This is this chicken's bedroom? Really? Really? Oh my God, this makes me so angry, guys. I'm going to blow this whole place up. I'm going to blow this whole place up. I cannot believe they did that to me, guys. They tried to put a chicken in my bedroom. You know what? I don't even think it was my bedroom. I think it was the chicken's bedroom, and they tried to send me into the chicken's bedroom. That's just wrong. That's just wrong. You know what? That's wrong on so many levels. I'm blowing this whole place up, guys. I'm going to blow this entire YouTube mansion up, guys. It's going to go sky high. So let's go ahead and let's blow this place up, guys. Oh my God, this is going to be so amazing, guys. Here we go. Oh my God. Wow. That was amazing, guys, but I don't think all the TNT blowed up. Wow, I think some of the TNT is still up there, guys. You know what? I always finish the job, guys. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to head up there and finish blowing up all that TNT, guys, because it's just going to bother me. If I don't blow up all the TNT and teach these guys a lesson, it is going to bother me for the rest of my life, guys. So let's go ahead and let's blow this TNT up. And oh my God, guys, this is going to be so amazing. We're going to watch this. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my god, wow, that was amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Wow, guys. I really did love the YouTube mansion, though, guys. I just wish they would have gave me my own bedroom and my own gold play button, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing mansion down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, which I know you did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.